Morning, good afternoon, and today we are going to introduce the Adona model ASC 1200 series is Apollo. So they have different series for the different models of the Wi-Fi, and we will not waste the time, and we will just go and study the Adona access point. ASC 1200 2x2 MIMO dual radio 8 by 802.11 AC Wave 2 indoor ceiling mount access point. Luna is truly Indian brand. So overview, Apollo ASC 1200 is a high performance 802.1 AC wave to indoor access point which provides an economical solution for deploying an efficient wireless network. With a 2x2 MU MIMO dual range design, ASC 1200 delivers 1200 Mbps combined throughput over two radios for uncompromising wired-like performance for all industry verticals such as classroom, conference center, offices, hotels, hospitals, and shopping malls. The APs for enterprise and SMB requirement, Adona Access Point provide excellent user handling capacity with 11 AC Wave 2 technology. Modern office spaces have a client sitting in open bays and adjoining cabin conference room. Apollo 1200 series offers a seamless wireless network to support business applications and multiple client devices. An office floor with 100 to 150 users can be easily scattered with few APs. With firewall policies, these APs can secure the corporate network from external attacks and internal malicious activity. These APs are best suited for indoor hotspot requirements like shopping malls and food courts. With a guest network, you can enable secured guest access with easy onboarding using captive portal. AC 1200 can be configured as a standalone AP or managed by Apollo hardware or cloud controller to provide advanced features like firewall and a role-based access control system, local authentication with captive portals. That allows you to deploy a highly secure WLAN network with seamless enterprise class experience for all connected users. So if you go to the features, highlight is dual band 2x2 802.1 AC wave to 2 MIMO indoor access point, superior wireless performance. AC features the latest Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, intelligent RF optimizations. When managed through hardware cloud controller, AC 1200 automatically adjusts RF channels and power settings, provide band steering and airtime frameness at the chipset level, ensuring all APs stay clear of RF interference to deliver reliable high-performance wireless network. No need to assign dedicated RF expertise and hardware is specially required to fine-tune the wireless network. Easy setup and user-friendly. Guest network can be created. Multiple power options. ASC 1200 supports standard E02.80 power over Ethernet PoE for flexible deployment in areas where power outlets are not ready available. It also supports DC power input if required for installation where PoE is not feasible. Centralized managed enterprise grade security, which we told you about. If you look for the specification, ASC 1200 Apollo warranty is 3 years. Standard 80.11 AC, yes. Wave 2, yes. MIMO technology, yes. Throughput 1200 Mbps, already told you before. Frequency 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, you can adjust. 2.4 GHz 802.BGN, maximum rate is 300 Mbps, but on the 5 GHz range is 900 Mbps. uh, Concurrent user 256 concurrent users can be use this is standalone model. Then IPv4, yes. IPv5 is not there. So if you look for the WAN option, static IP, dynamic IP, and PPOE, yes. uh, you can read the data sheet if you want, or you can ask us the best prices and send a mail. Mail ID is given in the description box. You can ask for the Adona products. They own, so Adona is actually made in India, which we told you, and you can contact us. Thank you. Have a nice day.